Explain how the graph of y equal log base 6 of x can be obtained from the graph of y equal 6 to the x. We see here pictured both of our graphs, our exponential function, y equals 6 to the x, and our log function, y equal log base 6 of x. These two functions are inverses, and so we can get the graph of one from the graph of the other by interchanging the x and y values. Notice on our exponential function, this goes to the point 0, 1. Its inverse goes through 1, 0. Our exponential function goes to the point 1, 6. Its inverse through the point 6, 1. So to obtain this log base 6 of x graph from y equals 6 to the x, you interchange the x and y values.